welcome to art. I'm Miss Lloyd and I'm the subject leader. Here in art we encourage your creativity and individuality. If you have a passion for art, this is the place for you. Let's go see some art. There is another art teacher. Her name's Miss Pierce. Let's go see what she's up to.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Pierce and I'm the other art teacher at Kingsmead. You get to try lots of different things here. You get to try a little bit of ceramics and some wire work. You get to do some cardboard construction. You'll get to do painting and printing. All sorts of different things to really improve your skills and help you be the person that you can be, the best creative designer.
I took art because it's a great way to let out your creative abilities while taking a break from all the other subjects that require like essays and things. My favourite thing to do in art is tone on pencil drawings, and I like painting. And recently we've been doing ceramics and wire work and everything, which has been really, really fun and interesting since we haven't done that before. And yeah, take art.
Why do you like art?
I like art because it teaches me new things every single lesson. Like today we're doing sewing and I've not really done that before.
Okay, what exciting things have you done previously?
We drew the shoe, which was quite cool, and I learned a new thing because I didn't know how to do
So that's the art department.
Hope you've enjoyed seeing our work.
See you in September.